how to find and see your recently streamed categories on your channel on Twitch PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Twitch. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do, click here on your profile picture in the top and click on settings. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Click on channel and videos. After you click on it, now all what you have to do is so simple. Click here on featured content. After you click on featured content, scroll down, you will find recently streamed categories right here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.